Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I'm back with my January Stitch Fix box. It just arrived on my doorstep, and it is just so fun to get this subscription mystery box sent to me every month. My last box was fantastic. It was my first 5 of 5 where I bought every item in the box, so I'm hoping for good things in this one. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Quenby and I do a ton of unboxings here on the channel. In fact, I have an entire unboxing playlist, so you'll probably want to check that out. I do Stitch Fix, Thread Up, wholesale unboxes. They're a lot of fun. So make sure you are subscribed with the little bell turned on so you know when the next video comes out. So I have a new stylist. She did an excellent box for me last time. I always give the same notes. I live in Northern California. I'm 44 years old and I love boho fashion. So lots of ruffles and lace, romantic, great prints. This top I have on now is a Daniel Rain top that I got in one of my recent boxes and I love it. I notice I reach for it all the time. So these peasant style boxes are definitely something I look for. So my plan in the video is we are going to unbox this, then I'm going to try everything on for you, and then we'll come back and look at the prices and decide what I'm going to keep and what I'll send back. If you are new to Stitch Fix, I linked all the information in the description so you can find out there how it works. If I buy everything in the box, I get a 25% discount, which is a huge incentive. And if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, use my link to get 25 bucks towards anything you want in a box. You can do one box or you can do it monthly. You can cancel anytime. It's really fun. Okay, I'm gonna lift my roll out of the box here. It's usually my favorite moment where I get a quick glance at everything. This is the information they send you, notes from your stylist, and then you can send anything back for free. So here we go. Awkward, totally awkward bend down reach. I should have planned this out better. Okay, so, this looks good, friends, because look, great rusty color, and I see some denim. I've asked every single time for these embroidered jeans. I never get them. I don't know why, but I love the denim that I get from Stitch Fix. It's usually really comfortable and trendy. Okay, this first item is so interesting to me because if you caught one of my last Stitch Fix boxes, I bought a cardigan by the same brand, RD Style, in the same color and the same fabric. And it's pretty simple. Like, there's nothing that really stands out about this piece or the cardigan I already bought. But I have to tell you, friends, I love that cardigan so much because it is so soft. I reach for it all the time. It's the same color scheme. It's the same fabric. And I layer it for yoga. I wear it all the time. I remember thinking it was a little pricey at the time. I think it was $78, so this one might be a little pricey, but I really love that. So I can't wait to try this on. I have a feeling it's gonna feel really good on. This next sweater is really soft feeling. It's by the brand Market and Spruce. It's a size large. I recently upped my sizes. This is a top. I bought a Daniel Rain top. I really love it. And for some reason, I'm a large in Daniel Rain. But anyway, this is the Riviera cable knit dolman pullover. So dolman is when it's wide at the chest and then it has narrow sleeves. It's a pretty flattering style and I like the cable knit on here. I like the color, so we'll definitely try this one on. Now friends, I just want to make sure that you've taken a moment to subscribe to the channel. You just hit the red subscribe button, but make sure to put on that little bell. The bell will notify you when a new Stitch Fix unboxing video comes out or any of my other fun unboxing videos. I'd love to have you, so please be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, this next print I am so loving. It's black, and I think, are those poppies? Just really gorgeous colors. These tops are really great for me for work, so I'm a part-time reseller. I sell things on eBay and Poshmark clothing, so my channel's really a lot about reselling online, but I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have another channel called The Grateful Therapist. It's all about mental health issues, so I'd love to chat with you over there. When you're done watching this video, come find me over there. And these blouses are perfect for me for work. So let's see what this one is. Okay, so it's sort of like that silky, probably polyester blouse, and it has a knotted front, a high-low hem, and it's by the brand Westkey, not a brand that I've heard of before. And this is called the Allura Knot Detail Blouse. Oh my gosh, this feels so soft. What is it? With Stitch Fix, they make the softest clothing. Okay, this is like an open front cardigan, again by Market and Spruce. I wonder if that's one of the Stitch Fix house brands. For some reason, I thought it might be sold at Nordstrom Rack. I'm not sure. But this is, again, super soft. This is called the Regina Rib Trim Drawstring Waist Hooded Cardigan. Oh, so it has a hood. So a hooded cardigan in a nice olive green, really soft. Like, this is such great everyday layering wear. I'm in Northern California. I'm an hour north of San Francisco. It doesn't get super cold here, but it's not like sunny and beautiful all the time like in Southern California. So we do a lot of layering lightweight pieces like that. Okay, let's see what the denim is. I really liked the Stitch Fix denim. Have you guys have experience with it? And have you tried Stitch Fix? It's really fun, especially in such a difficult year like 2020. A lot of things are closed here where I am, and I've been practicing pretty strict social distancing and I haven't been out shopping much. So just to have a mystery box show up with fun things to try on has been great. Okay, so these are, I think these are Hudson. Oh no, they're Liverpool. As a reseller, I've sold this brand. Liverpool, these are the Kaylee Skinny Jean in Indigo. Okay, so what's great about these, they're a nice wash and they're definitely high rise. My first thought is like, I really don't need another pair of basic jeans. If these fit perfectly, I'll definitely consider it, but I like have so many pairs of jeans. So I'm really holding out for a special pair. But friends, if you want to try Stitch Fix, I have a link in my description of this video. There are lots of helpful links down there and discount links. The link will give you $25 credit with Stitch Fix. So you can get one box, and if you like something in the box, you get $25 towards it. That's how I started. And it helps me because I earn some credits, which would allow me to keep enjoying these boxes and opening them with you. So if you're at all interested in Stitch Fix, you get 25 bucks free money to try them out. Okay, so now's the hard part. The prices. I'm going to go over this with you and tell you what the prices are. I always get a little note from my stylist where she tells me why she chose what she did and gives me little outfit suggestions. Pretty cute, but let's take a look. Now, I probably should have warned you, I am a thrift store shopper. I'm an online reseller. I buy things at thrift stores to sell online and wear myself. That's where my heart is with thrifting. So often I feel like Stitch Fix prices can be high. So, but I'm treating myself this year and I've bought tons of stuff and I love it. So let's get into it. Okay. I actually love everything in this box. Like if I could, I would keep the whole thing. So, my stylist pick subtotal is $296. Oh my God, this is the cheapest box I've ever got. My boxes are usually like $400. So that's kind of nice. If I buy everything, I get 25% off, which means $74 off. So for the entire box, it would only be $222. I mean, that sounds like kind of a lot for 5 items, but not for Stitch Fix. So let's go over the items one by one. Okay, this Market and Spruce Riviera Caribou Knit sweater in burnt orange is $58, size large. That's actually a really good price for Stitch Fix. It's super soft. I love the color. What do you guys think of this one? Okay, the next item are these Liverpool jeans. Super stretchy, really comfortable. These are actually a little bit big for me. I did change my sizes with Stitch Fix. I've gained just a little bit of weight. I know I'm not alone in that during the pandemic. So, but these are a 12 and these are definitely too big. These are $82, which is not a bad price for like a great pair of jeans. I don't think I need these. I have lots of jeans. But if you're looking for a pair, these ones are amazingly comfortable. The Kylie skinny jean, 82 bucks. Next is this Artie style sweater. It's the McKinley and it's $68. Now I know this doesn't maybe look like anything special to some of you. It's kind of a basic. It's so soft. It fits really nice. I'm pretty interested in this, but I'd love to hear your feedback. Okay, and then we have this Market and Spruce Regina rib trim drawstring in olive, $46. This is super comfortable. It's really soft, has pockets, a hood. It would be a great layering piece. What do you guys think of this one? Okay, and this surprisingly is one of my favorites. This is the West Keys, the brand, the Allura Knot detail blouse in black, size large, $42. I mean, I just love the print on this and I like the fit. It seems like it would be comfortable and it'd be great layered, maybe with my cashmere cardigan that I got in my last box. I love that cardigan so much. If anyone wants to splurge on themselves, I got this cardigan in my last box and I'm in love with it. It was $148, but it's such a beautiful color. It's such a classic piece. So what do you guys think of this box? I'm interested in all the sweaters and not the jeans, but sometimes it's cheaper because you get the 25% off to just get everything. I'm super excited. When this video goes out, I'm gonna have like 2 days to decide. So definitely let me know in the comments what you think. Consider using my Stitch Fix link and getting a box yourself. Make sure you subscribe with the bell turned on so that you get my next unboxing video when it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks, friends. Bye.